Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So if you guys hear me in a low voice, it's because of course I'm recording at night and everybody's asleep already. So anyways, I am here too. I got Happy Mail. So I don't know if it was supposed to come like this or this is how you sent it. This is from Maria Reyes here on YouTube. And that's so sweet. She sent me some little Happy Mail. Now, she is also having a birthday giveaway. Her birthday was in January, but she went ahead and did a belated birthday challenge. So, she is having it until April the 12th, and all she wants from you is a memory dex card or an ATC. So let me go ahead and open this cute Happy Mail, and I still have to do the actual VR, so I just wanted to, you know, do it in advance. So let's go ahead and see. Hopefully nobody else opened it, and this is the way she packaged it up. Oh my goodness, how cute! Oh, pop-ups! Oh, how cute! Oh, let me see. And then she sent, look at these, you guys. Oh, these are like little sequins. Oh, there you go. Oh, camera, this camera. It says XOXO. Sorry, you guys, it's not doing it right. And she put some fringe in here. And let me see. I am probably going to have to cut it this way. She really stuffed it. Oh, okay. Oh, how cute. So, oh my goodness, these are so cute. OMG, I wonder where you got these at. Okay, so I've been seeing a lot of the rabbit, not the rabbits, but oh, how cute. Oh, sorry you guys. How cute. Are these from the Dollar Target? Oh my goodness. Or where did you get these? These are so adorable. And look at you guys. She's shared some of her. I think I remember seeing her haul these. How cute. Oh my goodness. Let me see. Oh, that is so cute. So there you go. Let me see. Move this right here. And then she really stuffed it in here. Let me see. A lollipop. Oh, there we go. See you guys? Let's see if my camera can. It's not doing it. There you go. How cute. So these are heart words or heart. How cute. Sweet kiss. XOX. Hug me. And the same one as the other one, and be mine. How cute. I have to like collect these, make sure I didn't lose any of them. And that is it for here. And let me see. Aww. So she's just thanking me for supporting her kindness challenge. So she had a kindness challenge back in November, December, and she was trying to reach making cards for the elderly people, because sometimes elderly people don't have that love or extra, you know, especially with COVID right now. So that's what so I sent her a few extra cards. And look at this little card. How cute. Oh, I like these little hearts. Oh, how cute. And this was supposed to be stuck right here. And then I think this one kind of turned around. Let me see. Oh, okay. So this unglued a little bit, which I will correct. And what she did, she made a little bow, and this one's supposed to be in here. I will glue that once I get a chance. And there you go. Let me see if I can fix it. So it's supposed to be look like this. How cute. That is so cute. Thank you. And then this one right here with the full leather. And then she tucked in a pocket with a little extra stuff. And this is a cute envelope. And there's just like a little folder. How cute. I like this. And then, aww, you a latte. Love you a latte. And these foamy stickers. Oh, thank you, Maria. I will link her channel down in the description below so you guys could go over and check her out and hopefully support her in her new challenge that she has going on. And thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and thank you, Maria. It was such a pleasure supporting you, and I love that we can all support each other here on YouTube as crafters. We all need to support each other in one way or another, so yay. Anyways, thank you again, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.